Here at Bully Dog today we're going to install a 5-inch catback system that fits an 04.5 to an 06 Dodge Cummins. This system is made to fit all three styles that Dodge has to offer: single cab, quad cab, and the mega cab. This system is going to come with your 4 to 5 inch adapter, all the clamps you're going to need, all the straight pipes you're going to need depending on what body style of truck you got, 5-inch muffler, and if you want to add, a 5 to 6 inch tip. Okay, now we're going to get this truck up on the lift and put an exhaust on. Here's what the stock exhaust looks like on the Dodge Cummins. Bully Dog's 5-inch catback exhaust starts right after the truck's catalytic converter. The first step is to cut 3 inches after the catalytic converter. The next cut is after the muffler.
Cut 3 inches behind the muffler hanger on the back of the muffler.
Spraying lubricant on the stock hanger will help you remove them easier. The first step in installing the 5-inch exhaust is to hang the muffler.
Consult the Bully Dog installation instructions for exact hanger placement.
The hanger hangs in the grommets above the muffler. It hangs close to where the stock muffler was hung. Snug the hanger clamp up enough to hold the muffler from falling. There are 2 parts to the tailpipe. The first part clears the axle, and the second part will exit to the side of the truck. Install the tailpipe. Snug your clamps to hold the tailpipe in place. Make sure you have at least a 1/2 inch clearance between the tailpipe and the spare tire. Next, install the 4 to 5 inch adapter on the back of the catalytic converter.
Measure the gap between the adapter and muffler. Make sure to add 2.5 inches to each side to slip into the adapter and muffler.
Once the cut is made, put your straight pipe in place. You will need to put clamps on every joint that does not already have a hanger clamp. Tighten clamps from front to back. Make final adjustments, making sure no pipe is touching the frame, spare tire, or heat shielding.